Hi foodies, it's Mommy Chimamanda and family. Join us as we make delicious Nigerian pudding. Today's video is delicious Nigerian pudding, ukpoka recipe you will love. So today I am sharing my favorite way to make ukpoka, also known as corn pudding. This is a traditional Nigerian dish made from fresh corn. I know a lot of people also like to use corn flour and freezing corn, but to get the best taste and flavor, I advise you always use fresh corn. It's savory, flavorful, and always a hit. I cook it, but you can also bake it if you prefer. In this recipe, I use tiny shrimp for extra flavor, but you can also use big shrimp if you like. I cook my pudding using an aluminium plate, but you can use aluminium foil, banana leaf, or plantain leaf. So let's get started. I will be listing out all of the ingredients that I use. You can also get the description in the description section below. Beautiful melody, cooking, dancing, and some fun DIY. We make memories reaching for the sky. From morning till night, we shine so remove the kernels from the fresh corn. From the fresh corn cob and blend them. You can blend it until smooth or blend it on low speed. If you prefer not to blend it smoothly, add a little water if needed to help blend the corn. We make memories reaching for the sky. From morning till night, we shine so bright together. Everything feels just right. Into a puree. So to mix the ingredient in a large bowl, combine the blended fresh corn with chopped onion, tiny shrimp or big shrimp, ground crayfish if using ground pepper, salt and seasoning cube. Stir in the palm oil to give that rich golden color and flavor. So like I have mentioned, to wrap it, wrap or plate the mixture. I use aluminium plate for this recipe because here we don't normally get the wrapping leaf. So I use aluminium plate for this recipe, but you can wrap the corn mixture with aluminium foil, banana leaf, or plantain leaf. Wrap it tightly so it holds its shape while steaming. Steam the corn pudding. Place the wrap or plated corn mixture into a steamer or large pot with a steaming rack. Add the water to the bottom of the pot. Cover and steam over medium heat for about 45 minutes to 1 hour until pudding is firm and cooked through. So once it's ready, serve and enjoy. Let the ukpoka cool slightly before serving. You can enjoy it the way or the best way you love. Let's chat, guys. If you try out this recipe, I do love to hear what you think. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, comment, and share this recipe with your friends and family. Drop a comment if you use different trim or a special wrapping method for your ukpoka. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye. Join our journey, come along. Together we'll sing this happy song. Mommy came Amanda, and he smiles and positivity. Follow us, you'll see. Life's a beautiful melody. Life's a beautiful melody. Cooking, dancing, and some fun DIY. We make memories reaching for the sky. From morning till night, we shine so bright. Together, everything feels just right. Came Amanda, and he smiles and positivity. Follow us, you'll see. Life's a beautiful melody. Mommy came Amanda, and he smiles and positivity. Follow us, you'll see. Life's a beautiful melody. Beautiful. Sure love to have you here. There's a fun catchy on your social media. Hey there, it's Mommy Chimamanda. With my family, we're a joyful band, sharing love and laughter every day. Come join us in our special way. Mommy Chimamanda, and he smiles and positivity. Follow us, you'll see. Life's a beautiful melody. Cooking, dancing, and some fun DIY. We make memories reaching for the sky. From morning till night, we shine so bright. Together, everything feels just right. Mommy came Amanda, and he smiles and positivity. Follow us, you'll see. Life's a beautiful melody. Through ups and downs, we stand strong. With love and care, we can't go wrong. Join our journey, come along. Together we'll sing this happy song. Mommy came Amanda, and he smiles and positivity. Follow us, you'll see. Life's a beautiful melody. Life's a beautiful melody. Cooking, dancing, and some fun DIY. We make memories reaching for the sky. From morning till night, we shine so bright. Together, everything feels just right. Came Amanda, and he smiles and positivity. Follow us, you'll see. Life's a beautiful melody. Mommy came Amanda, and he smiles and positivity. Follow us, you'll see. Life's a beautiful melody. Beautiful. Sure love to have you here. There's a fun catchy on your social media. Hey there, it's Mommy Chimamanda. With my family, we're a joyful band, sharing love.